Beets are often referred to as a superfood. This jewel-colored root vegetable has been used for centuries to treat a number of conditions, from constipation to fever. Beetroot is full of folates, potassium, and other nutrients that are good for your health in general, but research shows that beets may be especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Lower blood sugar and insulin. A 2014 study investigated the effects of beetroot juice on blood glucose levels. After eating, the study showed that drinking 225 milliliters, or a little less than a half cup, of beetroot juice resulted in a significant suppression of post-meal glucose levels. Lower risk of diabetes complications. Diabetes causes damage to your small blood vessels, microvascular, and larger blood vessels, macrovascular. This leads to complications that can affect the eyes, heart, kidneys, and other parts of the body. Reduced insulin resistance. According to a small 2017 study, obese participants who consumed beet juice with carbohydrates demonstrated lower insulin resistance than non-obese participants, suggesting that obese individuals may benefit from consuming beets and other nitrate-rich foods. An earlier study found that healthy participants who consumed beet juice during a meal had lower insulin and glucose responses following the meal. Lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common complication in people with diabetes. Research suggests that eating beets or drinking beetroot juice might lower blood pressure. Researchers believe the nitrates in beet juice are responsible for the effects and work by expanding blood vessels and improving blood flow. 1 cup of beetroot juice contains 100 calories and about 23 grams of carbohydrates. More recently, a randomized controlled trial found that nitrates in beetroot juice reduce central blood pressure in some people with type 2 diabetes.